आप बोल रहे थे they listen to very carefully to our conversation. Okay, got it. And he was full of proud. नहीं, he was full of pride. जब हम pride is a noun, अगर proud is he felt proud of us. Difference है. He was full of pride, right? अगर full of बोलना है तो pride बोलेंगे because we have to use the noun. He was full of pride for us. या फिर अगर हम ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि उनको हमारे बारे में बहुत proud feel हुआ, तो you have to say he felt very proud about us. ठीक है, you understood the difference? कहाँ क्या use करना है? He was full of pride, okay? And he patted my back. पीठ थपथपाना is he patted my back.
He patted my back.
हाँ, आके उन्होंने हाँ, he patted my back, okay? So we say कि हाँ, pat your back, you've done a good job, अच्छा काम किया है, right? हाँ, और एक चीज at the end of the word ना आप वो stress कर रहे हो word के end में, but myself don't do that stretching. But stop करना, but ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. But नहीं, but we were talking about studies, okay? Myself. Stop over there. Don't stretch the end of the word. Okay, got it? And was, not was. Closing was closing. Closing. Zing. Okay. Or what is it called when somebody is listening to your conversation secretly? There is a word. It is called as eavesdropping. You said na the principal sir was listening to your conversation behind the wall, hiding behind the wall. So secretly किसी की बात को सुनना is called as eavesdropping. It's a new word. You can note that word.
That's vocabulary.
हाँ, E-A.
B-A.
E-E. E for elephant, A for apple, E-A. V for violin, E for elephant again, S for Singapore, D for donkey, R for rocket, O for orange, and P for Patna. Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop.
Eavesdrop. So that is a term which we use when somebody is listening secretly to a conversation. It is called as eavesdropping. So you can say our principal eavesdropped on our conversation. So that's a new word for you today. Okay. So was your principal very strict or was he very lenient? There is a word called lenient. What does it mean? Lenient.
What?
Lenient. Lenient.
Lenient.
Yes. What does it mean?
No, I don't know.
Lenient means not very strict. Somebody who is थोड़ा relaxed, tolerant, discipline के मामले में. Some principal teachers are very strict. Strict का opposite है lenient. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा strict नहीं, थोड़ा relaxed है, थोड़ा easy है. That is called as lenient. So was your principal lenient or very strict?
Yeah, he was very, very strict. Too much strict.
Too much strict. Okay. But is it a good thing or bad thing? Do the children become disciplined because the principal is strict, or do children become very naughty even if the principal is strict? What do you feel?
Actually, he was strict, so because the school was intermediate school, so they had to handle करना पड़ता था. They had to. मतलब करना ही था. Had to. They had to handle all the students, all types of standards students. So,
okay. So it was necessary to be strict. जरूरी था. Necessary.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, it is necessary to be strict. It is a tough job for the principal, correct? You can't be very lenient, then children will not listen to you. So you have to be strict. So are you?
Teacher also, teacher also become flexible.
Oh, teacher become flexible. Okay. Yeah, but principals are generally strict. So are you a strict parent or a lenient parent? What kind of parent are you?
Yeah, I am a lenient parent.
Okay. But sometimes we have to be strict because otherwise discipline is not maintained in the house, right?
Yeah.
So it is a balance.
Like I want to say mixed of. Sometimes strict and sometimes lenient.
Correct. So we have to maintain a balance.
Yes.
right? Yeah, correct. It is very difficult to maintain that balance for a parent.
Yeah, because parents can say root. So if like so child is like a plant and parents is a root. So if plant go to bad way, so it's blames only root.
Okay, but if we water the plant too much, the plant will die.
Yeah. So
Correct?
I would say sometimes parents like a root. Sometimes parents as a how to say mali, like पौधे को
Gardener.
okay, gardener. So yeah, so children are like a plants.
Plant.
लाइक जैसे कि पौधे को बस सींचने के लिए हर तरह की जरूरत पड़ती है, कभी धूप की, कभी छांव की, कभी
Correct.
पानी की। तो इस तरह से पेरेंट्स भी हैं, कभी उनको मतलब स्ट्रिक्ट तरीके से हैंडल करना पड़ता है, कभी प्यार से।
Correct. I agree. That's a very beautiful example, Miss Mahima. Very beautiful example. Like how a gardener takes care of the plants, the parents also have to take care of children very carefully. Not too much water, not too much sunlight. Everything has to be in a proper proportion, balance. Correct? What does proportion mean?
Like if I say in Hindi, so अनुपात।
Okay, I don't know so much of Hindi, but yeah, proportion means
like मेजर नापना।
हाँ, मतलब एक पूरे इसमें ये ऐसे पार्ट्स में, अलग अलग पार्ट्स में वो बोलते हैं ना 2:1, मतलब 2 स्पून चीनी के जगह और 1 स्पून चाय पत्ती, तो प्रोपोर्शन, उसको प्रोपोर्शन बोलते हैं। So you have to maintain that proportion when you are, nurturing the children, your children. Correct. कुछ भी ज्यादा या कम नहीं होना चाहिए, right?
Yes.
Great, lovely. I like the examples you are giving. Very nice. Great. ठीक है. Any questions or queries? So we learned 2-3 new words and 2 idioms. Correct? 2 idioms हमने सीखे नए and 2-3 vocabulary words. Right? So try to use them whenever you can, whenever possible. Try to use them. You can tell your son if he is not listening to you. You can say, "Oh, you are turning a deaf ear against me." अगर वो सुनता नहीं है तो you can use this idiom. You are turning a deaf ear.
Yes.
ठीक है. Any questions? Any doubts?
Sometimes I want to use in our conversation like wood models, but mostly time I confuse.
Could and would are used when you want to be very polite. Manners. Could you please open the door for me? Would you mind opening the door for me? So could or would ना manners, when we want to be very polite or manners हमको ये करना है, तब हम use करते हैं models. Would, could. So when you're asking somebody, could you please pass on the book to me? Would you mind opening the door for me? Would you please share your book? So वैसे. So next time maybe we will do some questions. We'll do an activity where you have to ask questions. So then we will practice models. Yeah. All right. Okay. Anything else? Because time to wrap up the session. Okay. ठीक है. Take care. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.